Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the Tapo camera and watching the LED blink. That means it's in pairing mode. Once the LED flashes quickly, open the Tapo app and sign in because the account ties device settings to the cloud. Make sure your phone is on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth and location are enabled. The app needs those to discover the camera. Tap T Add Device and select your camera model to start the guided setup. You now follow the app prompts to link the camera to Wi-Fi and finalize settings. If asked, scan the QR code on the camera or listen for the audio confirmation. This proves the phone and camera are talking. Then choose your 4 GHz SSID and enter the password. Accuracy matters because the camera won't join on a wrong passphrase. Once connected, assign a clear device name and room so you can find it quickly, and allow permissions for notifications and storage if you want cloud or local recordings. After setup, you should view the live feed and pan or tilt the camera to confirm positioning. Run a motion or notification test to validate alerts. If the app prompts for a firmware update, install it now because updates fix bugs and security issues. If something goes wrong, reboot the camera and router. Ensure your network is 4 GHz, not 5 GHz, and move your phone closer to the camera during setup. That usually resolves discovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.